Hi friends, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Civil Softwares, where you can learn all the softwares related to civil engineering. If you are new to this channel, so please consider subscribing. So let's get started. So guys, as one of my subscriber has a doubt of creating AutoCAD file to PDF, how to convert from AutoCAD drawing to PDF. So I will show you guys. So for example, draw a rectangle and now press Ctrl P. Now look at this dialog box, guys. Now first you have to select the printer. Now scroll down, see here guys, drawing to PDF, select this one. After selecting this, you must select the page on which side, which page size you want to convert it. You can select so many pages. If you want the PDF in A2 size, select full bleed A2 size. Now display window, I want this drawing to be printed, so I will select this as a window. Now that part has been selected. Now I will center the plot, you can see it here. Now I want it in landscape, see here. That's it. Now if you can select monochrome for black and white. Now you can preview how your PDF file will be converted. It will be showing you guys. Like this your PDF file will be converted. Now press escape. Now if you press OK, it will ask you where to save the file. I will be selecting desktop, PDF file, and save. Now the PDF file is saved to my desktop. So I will show you guys where I have saved it. I will open it and show it to you. See here guys, here is the PDF which I have saved. Open that. So you have got the converted drawing PDF. That's it about the drawing to PDF guys. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe and comment down below if you have any doubts. I will be answering like these videos. So thank you guys.